Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to quickly go over adding a table of contents into Word. So from the Home tab, go to References. From References on the far left, Table of Contents. So we're just going to click the first one. So there's no heading styles applied to any other content in here, so it won't find anything. So what we're going to want to do, just for this example, is we'll type first section. You can even insert a little list. Paragraph for table of contents. And then we'll start a second section. Do the same thing, insert another one of those. And this starts as a second, so we're actually going to go down to set numbering value to 1. So in that way, this will start a new list, second paragraph. So we can move these onto different pages just for the example. So we can go insert page break here to move this down. Now these are in different sections. So if we hit update, it's not going to find any heading. So what we need to do is add a heading 1. So if we go to highlight this, just go to home, we'll make this a heading 1. You can make second headings for these as well, but this will also be a heading 1. Then we can make this a heading 2. Change this back to a value of 1. So you could do this for first heading, second headings. I mean, we can still change this back to black if you want. If you don't like the blue heading style, we can change the font size. So now when we update this table of contents, it will automatically have this with a hyperlink. So if you just hit Control and click, it'll take you down to here, and this is the fastest way to create hyperlinks to different contents of your paper. And that's a quick overview of how to add hyperlinks and create your table of contents. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment for any tutorial you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.